All right, guys, so welcome back to another video. This is my Sony Xperia 10, and I put out a video a while back letting you know that something's wrong with my camera. And I have been digging through the camera, trying to change things, and I just got an update on the phone itself, and it didn't have anything to do with the cameras. But I wanted to go in and test the cameras again. Now, photos look absolutely great on here. No problems whatsoever. Video is where I had a problem. There was a huge yellow tint amongst every video. On every video was yellow. Now, I did something as simple as going and adjust the hue on the camera settings, and it looks fantastic. It's more realistic. And why it's not doing this on its own, I don't know. It's extremely oversaturating with the yellow part of the camera's software, so you can pretty much get rid of it. And that's all that I did. So you just hit this button right here, and it brings up this setting, and I adjusted the first one down. I adjusted it down to about right there, and so it's no more green or it's no more yellow, strong yellows in the video. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at that sample footage now, and you'll see a difference. You will see a difference, no ifs, ands, or buts. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So check out this footage from the Sony Xperia 10. The last time that I did a video on this phone, there was a huge yellowing tint to it, but now I figured out a way to adjust the settings in the camera, and this definitely looks way better. It's actually no more yellow tint. The hue is just right, and that's exactly what I adjusted. I adjusted the hue. Now, why it wouldn't do this in auto mode on its own, I don't know, but I did just get an update from Sony on the device, and the device feels snappier. Sorry, it's a really windy day out. It's always windy here. But look at the footage itself here. This is great footage, no more yellow hue. And I can actually adjust the hue some more if this still isn't more realistic. But I think this is definitely close to realistic. Actually, it's really good. Actually, it's probably right on. Let's take a look at the flag. You can see that's extremely, I'm telling you, that's how it looks. All these branches and everything, this is right on par. So that update that they did didn't fix anything, but as far as the camera, but I adjusted the hue, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. All right, guys, so I'm inside now. It's super windy outside. It's always windy. Somebody said, Jay, it's always windy at your house. It's a beautiful day out there. But I adjusted the hue on the camera, and I did it on the front and the rear. So this should look completely different than the other video I did where everything had a bad yellow tint to it. Again, why it's doing that, I don't know, and I'm not going to act like I can figure it out. I just decided to go in and turn the hue down, and the footage is actually beautiful. Audio has always been good on this phone, in my opinion. So the phone still doesn't run as fast as I want it to run, but it's still very, very solid, and I'm glad I figured out a way to shoot with this phone video and doing something as simple as just adjusting the hue. And you probably think things just got really brighter, but the sun is behind the camera, and it just boosted really high. So anyway, it's your man Jay, and what do you think about the cameras now? Sony Xperia 10. All right, guys, so there you have it. The phone, you know, while it takes a little bit of tweaking within the camera app itself, it's good. I like the footage. I like how it's turning out, and I could definitely now record with this and use this phone some more. I was a little disappointed that it had that yellow hue all of a sudden, and I think it came from an update from the previous update that I got on the phone. But this update that just came through, I don't think it had anything to do with the camera, because I shot the footage and it came out the same. But I went in and didn't give up, and I tried again, and boom, here we are. More footage that's coming out really good by just making that small tweak. So hope you guys enjoyed a quick, real brief video with some updated samples and an update on my Sony Xperia 10. I am using it. It's SIM cards in there. I'm using it. I changed my launcher out to my favorite launcher, which is Pix launcher. It's free in the store, and then the icon pack is Ortus. It's going to run you about $1 and some change or something like that. I forgot what I paid for it, but this is the current setup on the Sony Xperia 10. The phone itself isn't very snappy, but I like running this launcher because it does make it feel a little bit more snappy. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video.